Let's clear the confusion. CEU Continuing Education. Credits for social workers are more than just a checkbox for licensure. They're your professional passport. In this video, we'll break down what CEUs are, what counts, and how to make the most of them. What are CEUs? CEU stands for Continuing Education Unit, a measurement used by many boards and organizations to track ongoing learning. CEU Continuing Education. Credits for social workers reflect the time and effort you invest in staying up to date, informed, and compliant. Typically, one CEU equals 10 contact hours, but many states and licensing boards simply refer to them as CE credits or hours. Myths versus facts. Let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. I can take any course and count it. Fact. Only approved providers offer CEU Continuing Education credits for social workers that are board accepted. Lucky for you, NetCE is approved to offer social work continuing education by the Association of Social Work Boards, ASSWB, approved continuing education ACE program. Myth 2. Free webinars count automatically. Fact. Many require specific documentation. Make sure it's listed as CEU eligible before you invest your time. Myth 3. I don't need CEUs unless my license is about to expire. Fact, some states require a steady accumulation of CEU continuing education credits for social workers. Plan ahead. What counts towards CEU credit? You can earn CEU continuing education credits for social workers through online courses or live CE webinars, in-person workshops and conferences, supervision or ethics trainings, specialized clinical or population-specific programs. But make sure the provider is recognized by your state's licensing board or by national accrediting bodies like ASWB or NASW. How CEUs advance your career. Beyond meeting requirements, CEU, Continuing Education. Credits for social workers help you sharpen clinical skills. Explore new specialties. Stay aligned with current laws and ethical standards. Better serve diverse populations. Think of CEUs as a tool for career sustainability and growth. Don't renewal season. Start planning your path now. Stay ahead with CEU Continuing Education. Credits for social workers that are flexible, accredited, and career enhancing. Start learning at netce.com.